Welcoming everyone to the day 1 of the weekend practice challenge. So today's topic is about branching method. Now to understand this topic well, I have taken a question from the past year paper. So let's just have a look. The question is, A, B and C are playing a ball passing game. They start with A holding the ball. We know that B always passes the ball to C and the ball is passed 3 times in total. The question is asking how many different ways can they pass the ball. So let's try to understand the question first. There are 3 kids, A, B and C. They are playing a ball passing game. So let us visualize. Here A, B and C, they are playing a game. Now what happens? A has the ball. Let's say A has the ball. Wow, nice drawing. Now A has the ball. Now he has to pass. But the question is, B only passes to C and the pass is made 3 times. Now how? Let's say A passes to B, but B only passes to C. So this is the pass for first time, this is second time, and now let's say for the third time. So this is one way, that is A passing to B, B passing to C and C passing to A. But can A only pass to B? Of course not. A can also pass to C. So here if A pass to C and then C can pass to B also, but he can pass A also. So let's say if I say he passed to B and now B only pass to C. So this is another way. Another way can be, let's say A pass to C, but C again pass him back. So it's like A pass to A and only this. And what else? A pass to B, B pass. Is this the only ways? Not sure. Is this the only ways in which we can get the answer? That is just 3. So let's try to understand how we can solve question based on passing the balls, where every situation can have different situation. For example, when A pass to C, but C can choose to pass to A or B both. So let's see how we can tackle question based on this using a small example. So if you have a look here, one day there were 3 superheroes, Ant-Man, Batman and Captain America. They decided to play the ball passing game. And Ant-Man has the ball. Now here the number of times they pass the ball is 3 times. So I need to figure out how many passes are there. So what I will do is to visualize this. If Ant-Man has the ball, so I will write down Ant-Man, that is A here. Now what Ant-Man can do? He can pass the ball to B, that is Batman. But can he only pass it to Batman? Of course not. He can also choose to pass to Captain also. So here A can pass to C also. So what happens here? First time Ant-Man can pass to B, Ant-Man can pass to C. So here this is just the first time. Now what happens? Now Batman has the ball. Now Batman can choose to give to any one of them. So Batman can give to Ant-Man or Batman can give to Captain America also. So here Batman can give to A or he can choose to give to C. Now this is for the second time when they pass. So I'll write down here second time. Now what happens here? This is just for Batman. How about Captain? Now Captain has the ball. Captain can pass to Ant-Man again. And what else? Yeah, he can also pass to Batman. So here he can pass to A and also he can pass to B. So this is just for the second time. Does that mean this is my answer? Of course not. The question is asking us for the third time. So for the third time now, Ant-Man has the ball. Who he can pass to? Perfect. He can pass again to Batman or else to Captain. So here this is another pass. So since this is first time, second time this will be perfect, third time. So here let me write down third time. Now let's go to C. Now captain has the ball. He can give to A or B again. So here this can be A or this can be B. Now can you help me tell, if Ant-Man has the ball, he can give to who else? Perfect. He can give to Batman or else captain again. Now what if Batman has the ball? Of course, since they are passing among each other, Batman can pass to Ant-Man and Batman can pass to Captain America. Now if I ask you how many different ways are there, we can easily find out by just counting the number of lines. Check here, A, B, A, B. So this is 1, this is second, this is third, this will be second, fourth, this will be fifth, this will be sixth. ACBA is next and ACBC is the next. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. So this means in between of these three there are in total of 8 ways. So here I will write down the answer 8 ways. So what we can understand from this, if you have a look at the diagram, at the figure that I have made here, it looks something like branches of the tree. So that is the reason why this method is called as branching method. It's called branching method. Branching. Now in branching method, what we need to understand, if every of the situation has different situations, then we can use the branching method. So let's try to understand more in detail about branching method using the next example. Now again in the next example, here we have Ant-Man, we have Batman, but here this time we have Wonder Woman here. And in this situation what happens? Batman actually likes playing with Wonder Woman. So he will only pass to Wonder Woman. And we have to only find out that if the ball is passed 2 times in total, then how many different passes are there? Now thinking that Ant-Man has the ball, let's start using the method. So Ant-Man has the ball. Now Ant-Man can choose to pass to anyone because Ant-Man is friends with both of them. So here Ant-Man can pass to Batman, Ant-Man can pass to Wonder Woman. But now this is Ant-Man passing to both of them. So this is which time? Oh perfect, this is just first time. So here I'll write down first time. Does that mean this is my answer? Of course not, it's asking second time. So let's see. Now Batman has the ball. Now if Batman has the ball, who he will pass to? Yeah, since he is only friends with Wonder Woman, he will only pass to Wonder Woman, not to Ant-Man again. So here, Batman passes to Wonder Woman. But about Wonder Woman here, Wonder Woman can pass to who? Yes, Wonder Woman is friends with both of them, so she will pass to both of them. That is Ant-Man and that is Batman. So this is the first time pass. How about this one? Perfect, second time pass. So here this is just second time. Now if I want to count the number of ways here, it's Ant-Man, Batman and Wonder Woman. This is the first way. Then Ant-Man, Wonder Woman, Ant-Man again. This is the second way. And how about this? Ant-Man, Wonder Woman, Batman. This is the third way. So in branching, we don't have to actually count one by one. We can just see the last one and can name them. This is what branching method is. So if I summarize here, if every step has different situation, then what we can say, which method we can use, class? Perfect, we can use the branching method. Now understanding this, let's have a look at our question. In our question also there are 3 childs, that is A, B and C. But here the problem is B always passes the ball to C. So whenever we have the ball with B, he can only pass to C. That is the only condition. And A has the ball. So a ball is with A. Now understanding this, let's see how many different situations are there if the ball is passed 3 times. So now if A has the ball, A can pass to who? Perfect, B or C. So here A passing to B, A passing to C. And this is which time? Oh, just the first time. Very good observation. Check here. First time. Now B has the ball. B can pass to who? Perfect. B can pass only to C. So here B passing to C. This is just the second time. Now how about C? C can pass to who? Yes, C can pass to anyone. So C can choose to pass to A again or B. So here it's A again or it's B. Now this is just the second time. Does that mean this is my answer? Of course not. The question is asking me 3 times in total. So let's just see. Now C has the ball. Who he can pass? Perfect. C can pass to A or B both. So here it's A or B both. Now first time, second time, what should I write here? Third time. Very good. So here it's third time. Now let's just see if A has the ball, who he can pass. Yeah, A can pass to anyone. There's no condition for A. So here A can pass to B or A can pass to C. Now what else? B. If B has the ball, who he can pass to? Perfect. B only passes to C. So here B passing to C. Now the question is, we have to count how many different ways are there. So instead of counting here like one by one, what we can do? Yeah, just check the last one. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. So there are in total of how many ways? Perfect. It's just 5 ways. So here I will write down the answer as 5 ways. So what we can understand, if every step has different situations, then which method to use? Branching method. So now if you have understood the question, can try the day 1 of the weekly challenge. And if you have any other doubts while submitting the work or you want to try the next day's work, you can scan this QR code and join the group. I'll help you to solve the question and get the prizes after 3 days of challenge. So that's my time. I'm Teacher Smith signing off right now, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.